to create a quick tutorial video on Imagine Math. So when you log into Imagine Math, you have to log in through MyKD Cloud, and then you will click the Imagine Math icon. That will take you to your Imagine Math homepage. From here, you might see different pathways. The pathway you're going to select says, I think it says Texas Algebra 1. My son is in 7th grade, so he's going to select the 7th grade pathway. And once he selects the 7th grade pathway, and you will select Texas Algebra 1 pathway. He will see his current lesson is here, and he has to click Start to start the lesson. And it will take you to your lesson details. It tells you which lesson was not passed. It tells you what your next lesson is. And it's important to note that if you pass the pre-quiz, then it automatically passes you for that lesson, and it will take you to the next lesson. You have to complete all of these in order to complete one entire lesson. You can't complete just parts of it. You have to complete the whole thing. So there's a pre-quiz, then there's a warm-up, there's guided learning, practice, and then you have to pass the post-quiz in order to get your completion certificate. So then you would click Start Lesson here, and that'll take you through the whole process. If I go back, I'm going to click Imagine Math, and then if I go back, I can see my dashboard. So it'll tell you class leaders, which I'm not going to show you because those are students in his class, and that would be a violation of their privacy. But I can show you here what your lesson progress is. It tells you that there is 1 lesson attempted, and then 0 certificates earned. You need to look at the certificates earned, and starting next week, every week you should have at least 2 certificates earned, and I will start keeping track of that. There is no need to submit any of this in Canvas next week, as I have access to all of your content on my side. So I can get in and see who completed which lessons and how many certificates you have earned. And then that will give you your points for your grade. A completed lesson with an earned certificate will give you 100 points in the grade book, okay? If you look, you can get a total number of points, and then you can see who the leaders are and who the past lesson leaders are, and you can kind of compete with each other to see who can get the most points. If you have any other questions, please let me know, but this is basically an intro into completing Imagine Math.